Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a welcome channel in Discord. In this case, you have to right click here on this space. Just right click and create channel. Then you can name it welcome. Click on create channel. You must choose its text. Okay, then create channel. Then you can see your welcome channel is here. Sometimes welcome channel can be here or here. Then you have to drag it to there. Okay, so guys, this is how you can make a welcome channel in Discord. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.